Page 98, Musette. Musette? Whatever. It's just a happy piece that sort of sounds like a bagpipe. Depends on what you think of bagpipes. Some people like the sound of bagpipes. Other people like me can do without them, but I understand that they're there, so okay. At the top of the page, they're introducing some more speed or tempo indications for you. Okay, again, we're using Italian. Don't have to, but that's generally what music uses, so okay. Moderato, let's just talk about them, because it isn't a set speed. Okay, what do I put my metronome on for moderato? It's like the dynamics and, I don't know, somewhere in the middle. Because music, again, doesn't want to be tied down to absolute It's got to be free to express and be different and whatever. So it's somewhere in the middle. To me, moderato is kind of like you're walking someplace, you know where you're going, but you're not in a hurry to get there, but you're a person on a mission to get there, and you're just walking along, however it is. Somewhere in the middle. Andante, now they say it's a walking speed, and I actually agree with that. That's what I call. Some people say andante is slow. I disagree with that. It's not slow. It's more like you're walking, but you're not going anywhere. You're just going. You're just out for a stroll. You're just you just leisure pace. That's andante to me. And then allegro, some people say it means happy. Some people say it means fast. How fast? Oh, there's fasters than this. So it's like maybe I'm walking and I'm in a hurry to get there. Not running yet. I'm just walking fast. That's sort of how I associate these speeds with music. And you have to decide based on the stuff in the piece, because tempo is not always the speed of the beat, it's the feel of the piece. So overall you have to decide the feel of the piece. Does it feel moderato? Does it feel leisure? Or does it feel hurried? That's all. There's a lot of feeling going on in music. However, I do the speed later on. Let's go through a routine for learning this and see what we get, because it looks pretty ugly. Pages 98 and 99 just look ugly, so we'll have to talk about ugly. Look it over, it's 3 lines long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, half notes, and eighth notes. So we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, sort of. Right hand first. Let's make sure we know what the hands are doing. You're here. And the right hand is not moving around, so you don't need any other finger numbers for the right hand. Read the notes, not the finger numbers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then measure 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Well, that's pretty much it for the right hand. The rest of it's imitation, I guess, huh? Not really, but it's the same. Left hand, this is sort of the bagpipes. You got the G and the D, alternating back and forth. So you get to measure 3, and it's the same as the right hand down here. 1. Okay. Put the hands together. What could possibly go wrong? Here, and here, and here. Same notes, 2 octaves apart. Different fingers though. That's basically the piece. So once you have the notes and the rhythms figured out, then I add in the get rid of the hesitations. I forgot that. No hesitations. However fast you're going now, you can speed it up later. Right now you take it as slow as you need to, so no hesitations. Then I think about the articulation. I'm going to connect this. And I'm treating these curved lines as slurs, not phrases. To me, that's a short, this doesn't, that's not a musical thought. That's just part of a thought. So I'm going to connect this. So to me, the phrase is like every 4 measures here is a phrase. The left hand, all staccato. And I'm going slow. I'm on the keys each time and I'm bouncing off. So I'm staccato on one hand and connecting the other. Good practice. If you're doing pentascales, try that with the pentascale. Play one hand connected and the other staccato. Then switch it. Just so you get the idea of playing different things in the hands at the same time. I go a little quick because I've been doing it for a million years. You go nice and slow and just concentrate one note at a time. Just real slow. So that you get that feeling of doing different things in the hands at the same time. Anyway, once I get all that, then I think about the dynamics. F at the beginning. Forte is loud. That's the right hand. That's the melody. This needs to be in the background. How background? You decide, but I want to hear the melody. Measure 3. All of a sudden you're slow. You're soft. Excuse me. This is soft. This very soft. To me, this is still the melody. This is playing the same note, but in my mind, that's still harmony. It's not melody just because it's playing the same note, because you can have harmony be an octave apart. So I want this very soft and this soft. And then you go back to loud. And then the last 2 measures, you're soft again. In the right hand. Then once you get the dynamics, then we think about the tempo or the speed. Allegro, well, that's like a fast walk. Bum, 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 bum. However, how fast can you play these eighth notes accurately? Because they need to be even, controlled, accurate. Don't go faster than that. So your allegro might be different than mine, and that's okay. Everybody's a little different. So, boom. When I play it like that, then it kind of sounds to me like we have 2 measure phrases. The first phrase is loud. The second phrase is like a reply to it. Statement, reply, and it's soft. So it's like a statement loud, reply soft. In that case, they're 2 measure phrases. How you lift up between them, it's up to you. There isn't a lot of time to lift up there. I tend to connect it anyway. I'll leave that up to you. It's interpretation. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. They're asking you what pentascale this is. Well, it's a G pentascale because G's the bottom note. At the bottom, they say, can you transpose this to C pentascale? And which C's you're using is up to you. I go here. Basically, you're just playing the same fingers. Get the idea? So you're just playing the same fingers. There you're reading finger numbers. I'm trying to get you away from finger numbers and read the notes. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, louds and softs. I'll do the staccatos and things. I'll give us 4 counts. Now this is after you've learned it. Make sure you can play it with no hesitations before you try this. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 and 2 and